Welcome to this AutoCut tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to use AutoCut silences as a denoiser, perfect for cleaning up static noise, breathing, or background hum between your sentences without affecting your video track. First, open AutoCut by going to Window, then Extensions, and select AutoCut. Once it's open, head over to AutoCut Silences. Now, define your section and choose the audio layer you're going to use. Validate section. Set the noise threshold just slightly above the level of the unwanted noise. Next, pick a pacing preset that matches the rhythm of your video. If your video is fast-paced and you want everything to sound super clean and tight, go for a sharper pacing. For more natural speech, select a slower one with gentle transitions. If none of the presets feel quite right, you can always tweak the settings below manually. Now, here's the key step. Make sure to enable mute silencers instead of cutting them. This way, your video stays visually untouched. No jump cuts or timing shifts, but the noise disappears during the pauses. Click on Generate Preview to hear the result before applying anything. Take a moment to review it, and if it looks good, go ahead and click on Cut and Mute Silences. And you're done!
Engaging. Let's say you've just finished recording a 40-minute video. If you're like most creators, that will...
You now have a fully denoised audio track, and your timeline is clean and professional, without having to use complex EQ filters or third-party plugins. Try it out with our 14 days free trial, no credit card required.